Hi everyone, welcome back to another amazing video, another money making video. So a lot of you have been asking me to share some of the apps where I make money from or websites. So I decided to share this particular one. This one pays really well if you know what you're doing, if you're smart enough. You can really earn between, you can see the figures on the screen. I'm not going to exaggerate things. Okay, I'm only going to walk you guys through how it works so that when you sign up you can be able to you can be able to start earning money as well. If today is the first time on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, either by working remotely or business tips, any type of money making video, both apps, websites, anyhow you want it. This is what this channel is all about. So if today is your first time coming here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. That is the only thing you have to offer me for sharing this amazing video with you. Okay, so we're going to jump into the video. This particular website, I've been with them for over 2 years now. So what they do is companies, okay, they partner with companies. Let's check the companies they partner with. You can see all the companies they partner with. You can see all of them. So they partner with a lot of companies, to be honest. So those companies list these jobs on this website, and they in turn recruit you and I to complete the tasks and then get paid. So you can see for this particular one, the time left for this one is 24 days and the total reward is $1,600. So if you open it, you can be able to read further the requirement for this particular one. So this one says it's the future of all natural pests and weed control. So most of the times the companies list it anonymously because they don't want you to know the name of the company, and it could be an upcoming company that is about to be launched. It could be about a new product that is yet to be released into the market. So they want you to give your ideas and make suggestions for them. Okay, so for this particular one now, there's going to be a PDF attached to this particular one, which is here, low risk pesticides PDF. That's additional material for this one. So what you're going to do is that, number one, what is your idea for an all-natural pest or weed control repellent? I don't want to read all these things because of time. Explain the components, why it would be effective and what problem it solves. How would you market your idea? Who do you picture as the ideal buyer? What would you name your product? If relevant to your submission, please share a sketch or artistic rendering showing the design and functions of your idea. So these are the things you're supposed to do that is required of you for this particular one. So basically what they do is new products. When they want to launch new products, they want independent people. They contract independent contractors, not them direct employees of the company. No, independent people like you and I, and then we give our ideas. So this particular one is most suitable actually for students and professionals as well. So if you're looking for a side gig, a side hustle, something that you can use to add up, check them out. It's not going to be your full-time salary. It's not going to pay your full-time salary, but it can go a long way. Okay, so the reward for this one, like I said, is $1,600, and the top 5 people that give a reasonable suggestion and ideas will share $1,000. So if you check it, $1,000, let me check it for you guys. $1,000 by 5 Oh, sorry. Let's do it again. $1,000 divided by 5 gives you 200. So $200 for this particular one for the top 5 people. Then the next 7.5 will share 400. The next 12.5% share 200. So if your ideas and suggestions are valuable and they review it and stand, you can earn between. So the money is usually split between the people that participated, that got the most, or that they feel that their ideas are most valuable. They split this money. So if you complete up to 3 jobs or 4 in a month, you could be making like $1,000. And believe me, you're going to be earning even more than someone that is in a full-time job in your country. Yes, you'll be earning some. If you're making, even if you're making $400 per month, let's see, $500 times 1. I don't know the exchange rate. I'm using Naira as an instance. I'll give you 770,000 Naira, and I know that a lot of people working full-time Monday to Friday for 30 days in Nigeria don't make up to this amount. A lot of them. So if you're making even up to 400, you're a big boy, a big girl. Okay, so there are so many of them right now. This one too, it says discovering new ways to snack with innovative packaging. This one is propose a new hybrid weed control or pest control product to please category buyers. This one says survey bring more consumers to increase. Okay, so it's a survey. It says bring more consumers to increase viewership for cable TV, video on demand. So these are companies that are currently the jobs that are currently available, the challenges. So go in now, register, sign up, and start taking these tasks, and see if you'll be one of the people that submit a good and valuable ideas, so that you can be part of people that will share the money. You can see the completed tasks. These ones have been completed over the months. There are so many of them. And jobs keep coming. So once you sign up and then you verify your email address, you'll be receiving notification whenever there is available job. So all these ones you're seeing are completed ones. So it's not a joke. If it is something you can do, why not sign up and make sure you fill in every detail that you need. Fill in your skills, fill in your educational qualification, because they need it. Fill in your skills so that this will make them to see you as a serious person. Actually, yeah, make sure you fill in everything and all these places. The setting, make sure you put these notifications on, so that whenever new challenges come up, you receive your email. Because I receive email on a daily basis. So what this website does is you come here, share your creative ideas, and you get paid. So, and it's called Mind Sumo. The challenges let you flex your knowledge, earn cash, and provide companies with innovative ideas that solve real world problems. So I thought to share it with you guys, because some people are asking me, share more of those apps and websites where you make money. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys. So guys, let's end this video here. I don't want it to be too long. If you have learned something, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Guys, please engage in my videos. I know what I go through to bring these videos to you guys, but you don't engage in my videos. I have loads of so many views, but the likes and comments are not they're not encouraging. Okay, you're not paying for anything. Some of you pay a lot of money for master classes and all that. You're not paying anything. Why not subscribe? Why not comment and click on the like button? It costs nothing. Okay, please subscribe, comment, like. Okay, I'll see you guys in another one, because this channel I'm going to be bringing you guys bomber to bomber, anyhow it is to make money, business, online job, anyhow, any tip at all I get, I'm sharing it on this channel. Thanks so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.